job, Tar Heel. Guys, do you know where my basketball is?
Nope, but there's poop right there.
It is either. Oh, and where'd you
Here,
put the
I'll
leash?
pick up
Oh, where'd you put the leash?
I will.
Go for it, Kiwi.
Where is it? Where's the poop cow? Where's she poop?
Come here. Poop patrol. Come here.
No, there's Tar Heel's
Poop
poop.
patrol.
Where's Tar Heel's poop?
Poop patrol.
Oh, you're getting
Look
chilly.
for her poop.
Your little fur is getting chilly.
Well, coming over to you.
Wait, Mom, how do you do this?
You don't need to
Okay,
put a leash
where's
on
the
him.
poop?
Come on. Hey, run around, see if they follow you.
Come on, Kiwi. Come on, Johnny. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Be careful. Be careful. They're all around you.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Get them.
That's good.
Come here. Wubba.
Mom, did Deb see the puppies yet? Should I go up and invite her?
Good job, Blueberry. Be outside.